Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax in Charleston. I want to show you guys a new inventory piece that just arrived. This is a Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. It's a 2023 model, just off the truck. She's got the navy canvas on her bimmy top, the red striping, as well as the white rubber rail with stainless steel insert. She does come with the trailer. She's twin axles and has torsion axles, as well as a breakaway tongue and a spare tire. We'll step aboard inside and show you the rest. Now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you can see the amount of space in this Montauk. It's absolutely enormous. I'm 6 foot for reference, so you can see all these seating capacities of this particular boat. Nice low profile console, so you only slide side of the horizon. Storage and live well underneath the back seat here, as well as storage under each side of these aft helm seats. Teak on the swim platform, Mercury 150 with hydraulic steering. We do have a Simrad, the 9-inch Simrad display on board. We have the jail audio stereo system of 4 speakers, 2 in the aft, 2 in the forward. There's that nice tall bimini top. This boat has the fishing package, so we got the rod racks and then tool storage in the front, as well as cooler with the Yeti on this particular boat. We have the split bow cushions for storage underneath, and as well as the low profile bow rail for the trolling motor panel in the front. If you guys like to learn more about this boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, my name is Dotson guys from MarineMax Charleston. Thanks for watching.